today's the day me and David do a little bit of shooting, and we're at this place. So we're in, we've just had to do the wavery thing. Now we've got to show our ID, and then we'll be able to get some guns and go shooting. We're just waiting now to be called up for our turn. We've got to become a member of the club, which costs us $10, and then we will be able to go to the next stage, be able to choose our guns. And the guys like, you want machine guns as well? And we're just like, probably, but have a look at these. Go on, Dave. David's showing off with his headshots. He done really well. Fair play. That's well done, mate. Here we go. Here we go. He's trying to point out these bullet holes to the side of the head. It's got nothing to do with me, that was him. No, it's cheap. Look at that. Well, that was a lot of fun. The thing was, David was absolutely rubbish. He couldn't hit anything. It wasn't as good as me, with him.
Oh, better, better.
He was actually. He was a lot better. He had the headshots all the time. But the second gun was better than the first gun.